Alright, this is a record for, what day is today? 23rd of January 2023, which is Monday. Today I've taken one trade, being pound Aussie dollar. Ended up being a break even, although, you know, it was supposed, I mean, it already hit my TP, but I forgot to put a pending on, partial profit on my virtual private server, and so it ended up not taking any profit, and I had to close it at break even at around here. So that's fine, because my idea worked, and that's more important than anything for me. And that's a trade. So now GBPAUD is basically done, and I'm not looking for any trades anymore for for the time being, because it's ranging now. But back to gold. Gold has still been making a high-low, but if you remember, CPI came in, I think, 2 weeks ago, and you know, it has been decreasing. A contraction in inflation, and we could see that reflection in this candle, where it's a bit more indecisive as compared to the previous ones, where recession scare were relatively high. Now this might be the case of an overextension of gold, and we might see a downside coming this week, maybe next week, assuming that CPI and other indicators, economic indicators, are congruent. And so I'm keeping that in mind, and that this sell position may not be tapped anytime soon. And if that's the case, then where do we pull down to? I'm not looking too long here, only probably here or here. I believe I did mention that I might take that this could be a place of break and retest, but again, I don't know the odds of it. I don't know how probable it will be taking the trade, so I'd rather just leave it as it is as of now. This one looks a bit more appealing, and I'd rather take it. Both 38 and 50 also look good. Huh. Yeah, perhaps these four. Unlikely to take this one though, for obvious reasons. Silver made a very huge move to the downside. Kind of scared me for a moment. Unluckily, didn't tap my long position. That would have been great. Silver would act as an indicator, as a correlation for gold. Gonna keep a tight eye on that, close eye on it. See how that goes. Along with equity market, we are seeing a much more upbeat tone to it. We're seeing on Friday a very strong daily candle to the upside, and then another move to the upside today, as of current at least, breaking the high. So we're now going back to this tone of a bullish tone for the equity market. I believe this is also the same for Nasdaq. This is also going to be very congruent with the story that inflation, the scare, the fear of recession has considerably moved down, and people are more taking on more of a risk-on approach. But we will see. We'll see how this behaves. Potentially, you know, I might even remove 50 right here. I mean, my pending. I don't feel too good about it. We'll see. We'll see. So that's that. And we have Nikkei. Nikkei, this is probably with the yen and the fact that right now everything that is yen is just skyrocketing. If you look at yen, well, I take it back. I'm wrong. I have no clue why this is happening. Could be the same with U.S. equity, where the market is a bit more upbeat. So we'll have to see economic news on February for a better outlook. But as of now, it does look, I don't know. I'm kind of torn, to be honest. I don't know why. We're already hitting 61.8 as well. Kind of scary. I'm gonna take a sell actually. There we go. We're probably gonna see, honestly, a move down to here, which I'll probably do it on my VPS. So that's that. That's for Nikkei. Yen, same with Nikkei. I'm trying to use Nikkei as the confluence for GJ. But it does seem like the move might be happening on Nikkei instead. And that I might be taking this instead of yen. And then we have GN, which I'm not taking because it's ranging. GA, same. And I didn't take any scalp trade today. So that's that. That's my outlook currently. Wary. The summary is wary on gold. Possible bearish movement. If we do break this low, then that's for sure. If we break the low and cannot sustain, which is going to be this box right here, then that would mean that gold is probably going to start dropping down. Tap this trend line probably. Silver Nothing much. Nothing much until Nikkei, which I have pending. That's basically it. Nothing else of interest.